beginning, there was nothing. There was no stars, no light, no planets, nothing as we know it existed. There's something mysterious, unexplainable happened. The Big Bang. With the Big Bang, particles were created. The temperature was so hot that the particles could not come together. It didn't cool off for a very, very long time. Finally, the universe was cool enough for the particles to come to form the first atoms. It took another 2 billion years for these atoms to come together to form the first stars. Many, many stars were born, shone brightly, and then died. This went on for many billions of years, until one year a very special star called Timet was born. Timet lived in the Milky Way. Timet formed, shone brightly, and then died in a furious blast called a supernova. What was Timet's supernova? Particles of Timet were spread out at first. Soon the force pulled most of the particles in, but some escaped the sun's force. These particles outside the sun's force started to pull each other together and made the planets. The 9 special planets that were formed started to revolve around the sun. First,
the sun is a yellow. The sun is a medium yellow star. The surface of the sun is something marked with cooler dark patches called sunspots. About 1 million Earths could fit into the sun.
then was Mercury.
Mercury is the planet closest to the sun. It is hard to see without a telescope. As it is so close to the brightly shining sun, it is a rock planet.
Then was Venus. Venus is named for the Romans' god of love and beauty. While Venus, also called the morning or evening star, looks beautiful in the sky and is not a planet you would want to visit. The atmosphere contains sulfuric acid and carbon dioxide, and it is the hottest planet in the solar system. Then was our Earth.
Earth ranks fifth in size among the planets. It is the 3rd planet from the sun. It is the only planet known contain life. Earth has the most oxygen of any planet. We call it the pearl of our solar system.
Then there was Mars.
The nickname of Mars is the Red Planet. When you look at Mars, it has a reddish color, and if you were to stand on Mars, the sky would be pink. At one time, there was liquid water on the surface of Mars, but now it's frozen in the polar ice cap.
Then became Jupiter.
Jupiter is the 6th planet from our solar system. It was the first planet discovered by the Italian astronomer Galileo and the first of the gas giants. Jupiter is the largest of all the planets. Over 1,000 Earths can fit inside of Jupiter.
Then was our Saturn. Saturn is named after the Roman god of fun. It has 7 large flat rings around. Each ring is made of ice particles and rock. Saturn may not have a solid surface.
Uranus. It's okay.
Uranus takes its name from the Roman god of the sky. Uranus appears to roll along its orbit on its side, while other planets spin more or less like tops. It has a ring system. Some of the rings are so black that light can't pass through them.
Then was Neptune.
Neptune is named for the Roman god of the sea. It is almost a twin to Uranus. It is one of the coldest planets in our solar system. It also has a ring system, as do all of the gas giants.
And lastly, the one and only beautiful Pluto. Planet.
Pluto is named for the Roman god of the dead and is a dwarf planet in our solar system. It is the largest dwarf planet, and it has the largest moon. Pluto is so far from the sun that if you start on Pluto, the sun would only appear to be a bright star in the endless side of space.
All right, stay there for a second.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yes, beautiful.
When Earth was formed, it was just fire and gases. Atoms of the elements started shooting out into the coldness of space, where they cooled and then fell back to a fiery earthscape. In time, Earth was cool enough for the formation of different layers to take place. The inner core. The inner core's temperature is between 9,000 and 13,000 degrees Fahrenheit. The boundaries of the inner core stretch about 800 miles around and begin 4,000 miles below Earth's surface. The inner core is made of solid iron and nickel due to the tremendous pressure at Earth's center, the outer core. The outer core is made of nickel and iron, but is in a more liquid state. The inner core is about 1,400 miles thick, and temperatures range from 4,000 to 9,000 degrees Fahrenheit. The mantle. The mantle is about 800 miles thick and is made of a molten mixture of elements like oxygen, silicon, iron, and copper. The temperatures range from 7,000 degrees at the inner edge to 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit at its outer edge. The crust. The crust varies in thickness from 16 to 56 miles. Some of the rock is 1 to 3 billion years old, and some has just erupted from volcanoes. The crust is broken into two. When faults or breaks in Earth's crust move, we experience earthquakes. And when there is a break in the crust, the hot rock of the mantle push to the surface as volcanoes. Earth seems ageless, but it's always in the need for process of transformation.
Layers of the earth. Layers of the earth. Layers of the earth. Throw your hands up for the layers of the earth. Storm up force below the surface. Throw your hands up and let's discuss the inner core, outer core, mental crust. Throw your hands up for the layers of the earth. Storm up force below the surface. Throw your hands up and let's discuss the inner core, outer core, mental crust. The layer we discuss first is the central inner core in the center of the earth. A solid ball burning below the dirt. You believe it's primarily metallic iron. You can never take a trip to the inner core, right? The heat will burn you up 9,000 Fahrenheit. 4,000 miles below the Earth's crust. One down to the goal, y'all. 1,800 miles from the tip top. The outer core is hard to work and it don't stop. It's been spinning around in the core. And listen, the steady movement causes Earth's magnetism. Ranging from 4 to 9,000 degrees of countries more fit for the heat flowing in you and me. It looks better when the quality flows. So let's settle when you're ready, let me know. Just throw your hands up for the blaze of the earth. Throw them up for what's below the surface. Throw your hands up, let's discuss. The inner core, outer core, mental and crust. Throw your hands up for the layers of the earth. Throw them up for what's below the surface. Throw your hands up, let's discuss. The inner core, outer core, mental and crust. The middle layer is the last of the class. About half of our planet's mass. The makers is composed of very high dense rocks that move and flow, always on the go. They never last, never stop. Atoms are composed for tectonic shifts. Please believe Earth, space, star, drift. It's pretty thick air and the heat is awesome. 1600 at the top, 4,000 at the bottom. The continental plus surface is where we breathe. Another rock under 25 miles deep. The oceanic crust is just next door. It's 3 to 5 miles thick below the ocean floor. Earth's surface is 78% H2O. When you get out of water, sunny sea flow. Rest of the journey in the glaciers as past the snow. Throw your hands up for the layers of the earth. Throw them up for what's below the surface. Throw your hands up, let's discuss. The inner core, outer core, mental and crust. Throw your hands up for the layers of the earth. Throw them up for what's below the surface. Throw your hands up, let's discuss. The inner core, outer core, mental and crust.